our apartment for the week, and I thought I'd just give you guys a quick little tour of where we're staying and our apartment, and yeah, just what it looks like, because it's super duper pretty and really nice and beachy. So I thought I'd share that with you all. I'm going to be doing random clips and stuff from this week, just so you know in advance. I'll see what happens when I like get to the editing stage, how I'm going to put it all together, but that's the plan for now. So it's currently 1:30 and we've had lunch and stuff. I don't know what the plans are for the rest of the day, but this place is super duper nice. But I'll keep you guys updated on what I get up to and show you guys around, and yeah, I'll spend the holiday with you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's approximately 3:30 this afternoon and we went to the beach. As you can probably tell, it was really nice and refreshing. The water's like nice and cool, so it's really nice. Yeah, we had a lot of fun, and then we came home and then I just had my shower, washed my hair, and now I've got to start like unpacking and stuff, because we didn't actually do that when we first got here. Now I need to start unpacking my suitcase. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find a good lighting. Oh, this is so much better than where I was before. This lighting here is so good. I'm gonna go now, start setting up, and I'll talk to you guys later on. Hey guys, it is about 11:30ish, I think, on the Sunday, and so today is actually Easter Sunday. So today was mainly spent eating chocolate, but that's the best kind of way to spend the day, isn't it? It's actually overcast today, which is really sad, but we went for a walk this morning, went to the beach, still all good. I'll show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, a lot of clouds and everything, but that's okay. We still made the most of our day. We still got to go out and go for a swim and go to the beach, which was really nice. It's so refreshing today. And now I'm just gonna have a shower and I'll talk to you guys some other time. So we're going out for dinner now, and I just got ready and I thought I'd show you guys what I look like. Not much has changed since last time I saw you, but I'm just wearing my little G necklace that I wear literally all the time. I've got this little gold ring on, and then I'm just wearing this black tank from Topshop, misguided denim shorts, and then my like spenless black sandals. Excited because the sun's actually out today and it's really nice. Such great weather. So yeah, it should be a good day today. How often do you wake up to this? How beautiful is that? And it's just after 11 o'clock, so we're all gonna have a shower now have lunch, and then get ready to go out because my mum's friend is coming to see us after lunch sometime, like 1:32, which will be really good to see her because I haven't seen her for a long time. And yeah, and then we are just gonna go shopping, go and have something to eat maybe. I don't really know what the plan is, but yeah, we'll just get ready to go out. And I thought I'd show you guys what it looks like right now. Super duper nice. The beach was very, very nice today. So yeah, that's basically it. I thought I'd just update you guys and let you know what's going on. But yeah, Kira's coming tomorrow. We're just gonna go to the beach and then we're gonna go and get lunch, so that'll be exciting as well. I'll show you guys all that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and have my shower now and eat some more chocolate. Hey guys, so it's like 4:30 or something, I don't even know, but we went out with my mum's friend and we went to this really cute store that I love going to here, and it used to be called Passion. It's changed, they've got new owners or whatever, so the name's actually changed, but I don't know what it's called, so I'm going to try and find it and I'll write it in the description of this video or something. But anyway, I bought a few things that I thought I'd show you guys. I got these black pants and they just come together at the ankles and they're just really nice and roomy and comfy. Then I got this pant. I just said this pant. I meant these pants. They're just like a purple and white and they look like a skirt when you wear them, just because they're so thick and flowy. But yeah, this is the pattern, super duper pretty. And then I got a Buddha key ring. I really don't know where that one is, but we are going to get dinner when it's dinner time. It's not dinner time yet, and then we're going to go sit on our balcony and watch the sunset, so that should be fun. But I just thought I'd update you guys on what's been going on, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So we just got we just got smoothie bowls from Beach House, which is the best place ever to go to for smoothie bowls. They're so good, and yeah, they're just over on those shops over there. And then we came over here and just sat to eat them, and it was really good. Did you like it? It was good. We got the Tropical Bliss Super Bowl and it's so delicious. Anyway, just thought I'd update you guys. I forgot to show you guys my food.
It's all gone.
It's all gone now, but it looked really good and we took a picture, so I might insert that here. But anyway, bye.
Bye.
So disinterested. Hey guys, so lunch is now over. Kira has actually left. It's like 4:30 or something, I don't even know. But I am gonna start getting ready for dinner. We're going out to the same place that we went out to on Sunday night, I believe. It's a Mexican restaurant and it's like our family's favorite, so that should be good. I am ready to eat some good food, and yeah, that's about it.